you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, champion, Canary Islands.
You feel it's hopeless when you think that you lost. Oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
Yo guys, this is Falsch from ATSB. I'm here at Hangar 33 on Gran Canaria.
Well, I'm Fire Fan.
Hey, what's up?
We have Legion here. Legion, how are you doing?
Guten Tag.
We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
By the way, guys, I hope you're doing all well and you have a beautiful day. Yeah, I don't know where you're watching the game, from at home, from outside, with your smartphone, with your laptop, with your tablet, whatever you're doing. I hope you enjoyed the live stream, have a good time, have maybe a cold drink in your hand. Yeah.
And very hard final, so to say. I think it's going to be a rough one, yeah. In a good sense.
Hey, allemaal samen. We hebben gewonnen als groep, we hebben geanalyseerd en we hebben alles gegeven. Oké? Let's go. Zeg toe!